Hello everyone, hope your day's going well. In this video, we're going to repair a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The steps are exactly the same for both. I'll be sharing 3 powerful and easy steps to follow to repair your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you're still having issues, I'll show you how to reset the PC without deleting your data or files. So let's get started. The first command we need is sfc scanno. Once you type that, it will begin the system scan. This might take 5 to 7 minutes or longer depending on your computer. You can leave the system to run. After it's done, restart your computer and check if it's working fine. If not, we'll move to the next step. Next, search for cmd and run it as an administrator. Earlier, we used the system file checker sfc. Now we'll use the deployment image servicing and management dism. Copy and paste this command. SFC System File Checker is a tool in Windows that checks and fixes important system files. If any file is missing or damaged, SFC replaces it with a correct version. Why is SFC important? Fixes problems with Windows system files. Helps if your computer is slow, crashing, or showing errors. Can restore files changed by viruses or bad updates. When should you use SFC? If Windows features are not working properly. If your PC is crashing or giving error messages. After a virus attack to restore damaged files. What if SFC can't fix the problem? Sometimes, SFC cannot fix everything. In that case, another Windows tool called dism can help repair deeper issues. SFC is a simple and useful way to fix many Windows problems without reinstalling the operating system. dism online/cleanup-image restore health. Hit enter to start dism, which repairs Windows files. It works for Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11. After it's done, restart again and check your computer. If issues persist, the third step is more specific. Click on Search and type Troubleshoot. Open Troubleshoot settings and click on Other Troubleshooters. Run the troubleshooter for your specific issue, like audio, printer, Windows Update, etc. It's powerful and effective. After troubleshooting, restart if needed. Have with audio printer Windows Update camera incoming connections keyboard network adapter power program compatibility troubleshooter search indexing video playback. Windows to wraps just click on run on this, and this is a very powerful and effective troubleshooter. Once the troubleshooting is done, you can restart the computer. If you still have issues with the computer and if you want to repair your computer without deleting your data, so for that you just need to go to the search window and type recovery. Now, the moment you type recovery, you will see recovery options. The first option available is reset this PC. Click on get started, and you will see 2 options. Keep my files removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Remove everything removes all personal files, apps, and settings. I will choose Keep My Files. Once I click on that, the next window will appear, asking how I would like to reinstall Windows. I recommend selecting the cloud option. Download will now begin. This process will consume approximately 4 to 5 gigabytes of data. Since this PC was recently updated, if you proceed with the reset, you won't be able to undo the update. The system will start preparing for the reset, which won't take much time. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Your computer will restart several times during the process. Whenever prompted, make sure to restart the system. If you have any concerns or issues, feel free to let me know in the comments section. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I helped you. If something is not clear to you, write it in the comments and I will explain it to you. Like and subscribe.